Thanks to Broadway Yamaha, here's what we're going to do today. We're going to install some foot pegs on a Sur-Ron Ultra Beam. I'm going to show you how to do this and how to do this right. Come on. I love the way that Sur-Ron does this in these companies. They have little C-clips that hold in the foot pegs. And what's nice about these foot pegs, when you buy these foot pegs, it comes with new springs and new pins. And as you can see, these pins use a circlip that snaps in. So you will get extras with the kit. You'll get new springs and these beautiful billet foot pegs. Now be sure when you buy foot pegs, I'll put a link in the description down there. You want to buy good, actual strong foot pegs, billet foot pegs. You do not want to buy cast aluminum. The reason why is cast aluminum can break under shock load. And if you think of where your feet are and all the pressure you're putting on that, hitting bumps, especially riding trails or hitting rocks, billet aluminum, being that all the grains are in one direction, may bend. You could bend this technically. I mean, it's going to be really, really hard to do, but the chances of it shear breaking are going to be a lot lower. And you can tell the quality when you order a set of foot pegs. Look at them. Look at the flat machine surfaces. Look for pores. Look for uneven machining. You will not see these on here. There's a link in the description if you want to check these out. This company makes really good ones, and other ones do too. So let me show you how to put these on. They're super simple. We're going to take two tools basically to put them on. You need a pair of pliers and a little skinny flathead screwdriver. This is going to make your life a lot easier. Why don't you zoom on in and I'll show you how to put this on. As these companies come together building these bikes, they're building them for a wide, I guess you'd say, audience. They also are kind of in between. The bikes like this, I mean, it has the headlights, it has, all the stuff to go trail riding. A lot of people are buying these, riding them just on the street, doing wheelies. And these foot pegs would be great for that, especially in tennis shoes that you don't really, that you're going to care about and you don't really want tore up. These foot pegs are going to grip that quite well. But when you start riding these with moto boots, these pegs are just not sharp enough. They're just not aggressive enough to bite into the hard bottoms. I did say hard bottoms. These right here are going to have the screw in little dowel. Now these don't feel sharp. So if you're riding in your tennis shoes, they won't just dig in and destroy it like some of the really, really sharp ones are. But you would be surprised just how much traction these give you, how much bite they give you. And not only that, being that they're metal, if they do wear, you can just unscrew these. It comes with some extra ones. If they happen to come out, I've never had them just back out, whatever, or if they wear down. And you can also just go down to the hardware store, buy stainless steel, just like these are. You want stainless so they don't rust. But, yep, we're going to throw these in there. I got the wrong foot peg. We'll throw these in there. Let me show you how to get this off. It's super simple, super easy. Anybody's going to be able to install these. So here's what you're going to do. As you can see, this circlip right here has two little catches. We're going to stick the screwdriver in under that catch, twist the screwdriver, which will pop the circlip up. And what I like to do is put my thumb on the edge of it so it doesn't go flying across the shop, because it will. But as you see, that pops up real easy. It comes right off. There's a washer underneath. Takes up the space. And then you'll kind of wiggle the foot peg, push it out. Being that these are brand new, as you can see, this bike has never seen dirt. And hopefully somebody will be able to take it off road and hit some dirt. We're going to use the factory spring again. So if you put your finger up under the bottom, get the spring in there. There's a little hole that it goes in. You line that up. Go ahead and get your pin there. And then what you do is you fold it up like that. And then we're just going to push the spring down, the pin through. Replace the washer, the new circlip. And if you put the circlip on the top, it'll hold that washer in while you grab your pliers and snap it on. And there you go. One of the things you want to watch for when you buy foot pegs is to make sure that they sit flat, which these obviously do. Make sure they return and that they're tight. You don't want something rattling around. You don't want something loose. These are made specifically for this bike and fit perfect. And there you go. It's that simple. You get a wider foot peg base, better traction when you're riding than these, and it looks good. So once again, a big shout out to Broadway Powersports for letting me borrow this bike to throw these on. If you would like to get you a Sur-Ron, Ultra B, the Light B, any of those, check them out. I'll have a link in the description below. Go to their website. They can hook you up. And I really appreciate those guys for helping me out. Use one of these so I can show you some great products that'll go make your bike even better.